Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got a heck of a topic for you all. We had to do this. I couldn't refrain from doing this, people. Now, the name of the topic is, what is the difference between the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3? All right, so listen, for those of you all who are new to the channel, welcome. Come on in, kick your feet up. And to my subscribers, listen, go in the refrigerator, grab whatever you need, understand, come back, and let's do this. All right, so let's get started with this. First of all, my opinion is that there's no difference. Now, most of the people who are not going to get the smartwatch are saying that there's no option, and there's no option for the bigger version. They do for the smaller version, but the bigger version, they didn't. So then you got people saying that they're not getting the smartwatch because there's no wow factor, right? Because the smartwatch actually looks the same in design, right? Now, to me, it looks exactly like the Gear S3 Frontier with a blending of the two, right? You got the Gear S3 Classic, which it has that casing, and then on top, the rotating bezel is black, and it looks like that of the Gear S3 Frontier, right? So it's the same, the button placement, everything, the lug size, everything, right? So the look and feel of the smartwatch looks exactly like the Gear S3. So my question is to you, right? And I need for you to hit me in the comment section down below, because this one I haven't heard yet. Why did they change the name if they wasn't going to change the form factor or bring a wow factor to the table when they brought this smartwatch? Somebody help me understand that. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know, because I really don't understand. But let's get back to this comparison, right? Now, there's a couple of things that came on the smartwatch that's different, right, so far as features are concerned. One is that now you're going to get 40 workout modes, right? 40 more than what we already have on the Gear S3. Now, I don't know. I don't work out like that, right? I like counting my steps, my calories, things like that. But 40 more workout modes, did we really need that one? What really happened to the blood pressure monitor? Why couldn't we get that instead? I don't get it. I really don't understand. But for those of you all who are into workouts, this is going to work well for you if you're even thinking about upgrading, right? So the other thing, battery life. Now, this battery life is one that's going to be through the roof, right? It's going to give you 5 days, probably 7 if you tweak it right. Now, that's a promising thing, right? To not have to charge your smartwatch every single day, right? I like that one. It's not a bad look, right? But is it worth it? Because some people's Gear S3 is still working for them. They still get great battery life. For those of us who don't, we might want to consider upgrading and or just get another Gear S3, right? Because the look and feel of the smartwatch, again, it looks the same. We got to go deeper into the specs to find out the difference. But the look and the design on the outside, does it do everything that the smartwatch on your wrist already does? And it does. There's no real big difference. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull up the specs side by side and see how much more of a difference it is. Okay, you all, taking a look at both smartwatches, the Gear S3 and the Galaxy Watch. The Gear S3 has a 1.3, so does the Galaxy Watch. You come down, this is where the change come in at, which makes the Galaxy Watch a powerhouse, to be honest with you, because you only get 768 megabytes of RAM on the Gear S3, and on the Galaxy Watch you got a 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Now, that's a huge 16% jump, right, which isn't bad at all. But still, again, remember, we got to figure out if it's worth it to upgrade or not. All right, let's take a look at a couple of other things, right? So the body size is still the same. The display, as you can see, is still the same. It's 360 by 360. That hasn't changed. The X notes is different. You got 7270 on the Gear S3, and of course you got 9110 on the Galaxy Watch, right? So everything else, the camera, the same. Sound, the same. 4.2 Bluetooth, the same. Wi-Fi, the same. Everything is the same, people. There's no real big difference between these two. Now, we're going to stop here because this is where it takes a huge jump at, right? In battery life. Now, the battery life on the Gear S3 is a 380 milliamp hour battery. On the on the Galaxy Watch, it's a 472. Again, this is going to get you at least to 5 days, maybe 7 days of battery life, whereas the Gear S3 pretty much is going to get you through a day and a half, 2 days, if you tweak your display, right? That's it. So there's no big difference in between this one. I'm telling you, I don't know what the difference is between the two watches, besides that one is more of a powerhouse than the other. So if you're good with battery life, then there's no need for you to upgrade. All right, there you have it. Is there a real big difference? And I'm thinking just the battery life and the RAM usage, the 40 different workout modes. I think you already have enough of those, but is it enough to upgrade, right? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this changed your mind or not. Are you now going to buy the Galaxy Watch, or does your decision still stand? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.